Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Bankerman. But before that, I would like to say thank you sa lahat ng sumuporta, sa mga nag-subscribe, and sa nice review on our previous episode. Daghan kayong salamat. So, ang clip natin ngayon, we will discuss paano nga ba nagiging dormant yung mga account nyo sa banks and how to reactivate it, and try natin relate sa mga love life nyo. Okay? So, ano nga ba ang dormant account? According to manual regulations for banks issued by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, the definition of dormant accounts are the following. Number 1, a current or a checking account showing no deposit or withdrawals for a period of 1 year. Number 2, a savings account showing no deposit or withdrawal for a period of 2 years. So yun lang, ganun lang kasimple. So if your account is a checking account, tapos wala kang deposit and withdrawal for a period of 1 year, the account will not be active. So meaning, magiging dormant siya and then you can't directly deposit or withdraw sa account mo. If your account naman is a savings account and then wala siyang any deposit or withdrawals for a period of 2 years, magiging dormant yung account mo. Okay? So, ano nga ba ang process to reactivate your dormant account? First, you need to visit the branch. Kailangan ba na kung saan ka nag-open, dun ka na branch pupunta? Well, the answer is no. So, kahit saang branches, they will cater your reactivation. Second, you're gonna submit your latest and updated valid IDs. Third, you need to update your information. So, nagbago ka ba ng address? Nag-change ka ba ng cellphone number? Single ka pa rin ba? Or natagpuan mo na ang tunay na pag-ibig? Okay? And lastly, there must be a financial activity. So, meaning after you submit the requirements and after you updated your information, you need to deposit or withdraw to your account para maging active ulit yung mga account nyo. Ganun lang kadali. Okay? So, trivia tayo guys. Alam nyo ba, there are 3 types of clients na nagpapa-reactivate ng dormant account. And believe it or not, yung characteristic nila parang mga ex-boyfriend or ex-girlfriend nyo. Number 1, I call this person the closer. Sila yung type ng clients na na-dormant yung account tapos pupunta sa bank para mag-reactivate. So on your part, magiging happy ka kasi baka this time mag-grow na yung account. Tapos on the same day, close lang pala nila yung account. So para siyang ex-boyfriend mo, besh, na bigla na lang nawala, ang tagal mong di nakita, tapos biglang babalik. So syempre excited ka. And somehow nagising yung mga natutulog mo na feelings. And then nag-hope ka na mauna jud ni, magbalik na jud mo. Pero nangita lang dahil siya closure. Muna siya. Number 2, I call this person the once in a blue moon person. So sila yung clients na pupunta sa bank, ipapa-reactivate yung account. After that, hindi mo na naman sila makikita. So after a year or 2 years, babalik na naman sila to reactivate again yung mga account nila. So mura siyang ex-boyfriend na pod ni mo, besh. Na kanang dugay na kayo ni mo wala nakita. Tapos kalit lang magparamdam, magsigilag chat og text, kanang pakiligon lang ka, pakatawon ka, tapos if high na kayo ka, mawala dayon sila. Tapos after a year kanang naka-move on na ka, magparamdam na pod sila balik. So wala sila. Mga once in a blue moon person. Okay? Third and the last one. I call this person the destiny. Sila yung mga client na magpapa-reactivate ng dormant account and then after that, naan na mga succeeding deposits and eventually nag-grow yung mga account. Okay? So it's like your ex-boyfriend na nibalik sa imuha, besh, tapos nag-invest ulit ng feelings, efforts, love, hinay-hinay. But this time, seryoso sila. No? Seryoso sila makimbalik nila. So, ano sila? The destiny. So, ayun, I hope marami kayong natutunan in this episode. But before that, may nag-comment kasi nung first video natin at nagpapatulong. So, try nating sagutin. So, sabi ni Mr. Nick, Bunkermon, ask ko lang po, what if you're in good hands and then suddenly your thought guy is finding ways to be with you again? Curious lang po. More power, Bunkermon. Okay? So, thank you, Pogs, for your wonderful question. As usual, iba yung level ng questioning ni Mr. Nick. So, this is a very classic example of a reactivation of dormant account. So, biglang nagpa-reactivate yung totga niya or the one that got away. So, Pogs, balikan mo yung 3 types of person na nagpapa-reactivate ng dormant account. Alin kaya siya sa tatlo? So, first, baka gusto niya lang ng closure. Second, baka trip lang niya tapos mawawala ka agad. Or number 3, baka seryoso talaga siya. So, magubot lang yun na imong kinabuhi kung nasa number 3 siya. Okay? But always remember, love is a choice and we stay in love by choice. Damn. So please subscribe to my channel for more banking topics and love advice. This is Bunkermon and I'm your friendly neighborhood banker. Bye-bye.